Hey, my name is Matt. Welcome to Diggin. Are you interested in purchasing a new pinpointer? If you are, you're going to watch this video and you're going to want to check out gonediggin.net to purchase your next pinpointer. We're going to do a comprehensive depth test and overall unboxing and analysis of each one of these from XP, Minelab, Garrett, and Nokta. It's going to be a good video, and if you're in the market for a pinpointer, this is the one you want. So starting in no particular order, we are going to start with the Pinpointer by XP. This pinpointer is designed to be Bluetooth with any Deus product. It comes, as you see here in this beautiful box, comes with the pinpointer itself, a holder, a charging cable, and a tether. Also included are the instructions, and this is a cool instruction book. Flips out, folds out, and shows you exactly all the information, specifications, multiple different languages, and everything that you need there. Basic features. So all the functions are one button using the power button. It's got a fast retune, all around 360 detection, waterproof up to 6 meters, which makes that about 18 feet. 3 levels of sensitivity, 2 audio modes, a beep mode and a pitch mode. Parts are replaceable. MI-4 has 6 programs. MI-6, which we have here, has 7 programs. And then it has a rotating holster, which is found on the back here. And it's rechargeable lithium ion. And it has an LED feature as well. So just turning it on, we are in the standalone mode. It looks like a pitch mode. So very easy to turn on. And all of our tests today are going to be using a quarter because that is a universal size object, whether you're in the UK or in Europe or here in the Americas or maybe in South America. A quarter sized object for us is about typical for any international size coin. Backplate unscrews, charging port, able to pull it apart and replace pieces as needed. Starting with the physical dimensions, this pinpointer is just about 9 inches in length. It does not have any measurements on either side here, and it weighs 2.6 ounces or 176 grams. The barrel size around the back is going to be measured right there, and the circumference of that is just about 6.5 inches, or straight across we are right at, we'll do just under 1.5 inches around here, or about a 3-inch circumference. Let's get into the depth test. So depth test, we have it set up on a sensitivity of 45 using the speaker and the XP Deus, and it is all relative as these are air tests, but this is just a representation. Quarter flat, so we are in the 2.5 inch mark. Now, if we wanted to upgrade that and go turn our sensitivity all the way up to 49 to make it unstable as possible, you would see that it starts to work in the 4.5 inch range. Quite the depth change by changing the sensitivity. Also changes to a full tone there. Now off of the side, if we switch that and we come, because this is 360 detection, we're starting to get sensitivity at the 49 range at right at about 3.25 inches in depth. So the ID starts 3, 3 1/4, somewhere in there. And that is above on either side as well. So quite the pinpointer as far as depth is concerned, especially when paired with the XP Deus, but standalone, quite good as well. Now features, this does have a nice bright light. It is Bluetooth connected to the normal XP Deus, but it does function as a standalone pinpointer as well. That is the difference between the MI-6 and the MI-4. Both a great pinpointer, both fantastic build quality, and a very, very nice machine. Next pinpointer is the Garrett AT, or the Propointer AT. Absolutely fantastic pinpointer. Typically one of my go-to machines. It's got this nice scraping blade, they call it. Comes with a flashlight, very loud. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Out of the box, comes with the machine. Holder specifically designed with a snap back, not a rotating like the XP, but a snap back to go over a belt loop. And then an instruction booklet, owner's manual, Garrett warranty card that you can scan, fill out, and have your warranty. Super, super easy, very limited packaging. And then it has all the features on it. Waterproof to 20 feet, fast routine by just touching the ground, adjustable sensitivity, lost pinpointer alarm that will alarm after a certain amount of time. I think it's 5 minutes of the pinpointer being on. So it lets you know if you have lost it. LED light, and then the patented scraping blade. They're saying a 30-hour runtime on a single 9-volt battery. This is very tight and it comes with a single 9-volt battery. I will tell you that if you use a lithium-ion battery, you can get about 60 hours of that. But again, a very long runtime. I didn't talk about the runtime on the XP Deus, but it is extremely long as well. I actually find that the runtimes on these pinpointers are really the least of my concerns because they all last for so long. So there's the Garrett Propointer. Let's go ahead over its specifications. This pinpointer measures out to be exactly 9 inches in length. Down the side, it does have a measuring stick that goes from 0 to 8 inches. Let's go over here. It weighs 188 grams for those here in the United States. That is 6.6 ounces. And the barrel diameter around the top is going to be right there. About 5.5 inches in diameter. And right at 1.25 inches across. Operationally, press and hold. Gives you the football tone. Sensitivity 1, 2, 3. It also has 6 modes, 3 vibrate modes, 3 beep modes, and we're gonna go ahead and sit this down right here. So we are set up in the sensitivity of the most sensitive at the sensitivity of 3 with the beep and vibrate mode, and we're gonna come on down here, right off the tip. It's picking up right at 2 inches. Now this is an air test and not a comprehensive test, as the soil may vary based off of composition. Off the side, right in the middle of the barrel, we're looking at just under 2 inches, about 1 3/4 inches from the barrel. Now this is the Garrett AT Propointer, or Garrett Propointer AT. They make a Z-Link version that if you use the Z-Link system for any machine, it will Bluetooth right into the Z-Link headphones, and a great addition if you use parts or components of the Z-Link system. You would have to order the Garrett Propointer AT Z-Link. It's a few more dollars, but a great option as well. Next on the list, the Nokta Accupoint. And I have to be honest with you, this is the one that I'm the least familiar with because it is the newest. Recently released by Nokta, this thing is loaded, action-packed, full of features. It has a LED screen, it has replaceable tip protectors, it is IP68 waterproof, up to 10 feet, USB-C rechargeable, and it has 1 and 2 tone discrimination, meaning it will tone on conductive or ferrous. So ferrous or non-ferrous targets, meaning iron versus coins and things like that. LED flashlight, but the screen on this one is definitely the biggest, newest feature. Let's see how it comes out the box. Looks like we have a spare replaceable tip, we have a lanyard, and we have a USB charging cord, along with their user manual. This one's also going to come with its own sheath to hold it, LED feature. We have a ruler down the side here, and this tip, which is replaceable. Very cool. It does look like they have some sort of like scraping function for this pinpointer as well, and the LED screen. So let's go with the basic measurements. Basic measurements, this one's going to measure in at just over 9 3/4 inches long. Across the back of the barrel, we're looking at almost 1 3/4 inches across the back. You can see the speakers out of the back as well. And for circumference of the barrel, let's go right there. And right about 5 inches, very similar to all the other ones. And weight at 0. 7.6 ounces or 218 grams. So that makes this the heaviest of the pinpointers we have seen so far. Turn it on for the first time and we are on. Air display here shows our sensitivity at 7, audio version 1, or that's our conductive, non-conductive. We're not going to worry about that. We'll do a complete unboxing and discussion about this pinpointer in a separate video. So let's go down. That's off. That's on. This thing is incredibly loud. Let's go ahead and give her a test. So it looks like our start to tone is about 2 1/4 inches away. And let's see, this one is going to read off the side as well. Let's read and see what that's going to do. Middle of the barrel. So it looks like it's going to be right around 1 3/4 inches away. I wish I had a decibel meter, or we could test the decibels on this. This is quite possibly the loudest one I have seen. Overall, a very nice pinpointer, Bluetooth enabled. It also has a lost alarm, vibration alert, or audio. You can set this up with a number of different features in different ways. Nice, heavy, solid unit with this nice LED screen. Shows you, turns it on. And then you can go through all the different functions here, right on the menu. Now we've gone back, and that Previous test was at a sensitivity of 7, which is in the blue bar, which means that it's probably going to be the most stable in that fashion. This one, we've set it up to 9, the highest sensitivity, and we're going to see what it'll do. Just before the 2-inch mark, but I would imagine that the higher the sensitivity means that it would hit harder on larger objects farther away, but we are using the 1/4 as a standard feature, right about 1.5 inches on the side or the barrel. So there it is, sensitivities, go back to 7. Some of the menu features, pretty cool. Overall, a very, very nice unit. There it is, it's off. So last but not least, the Minelab Profine 40, and this is Minelab's newest introduction to the pinpointer market. Waterproof to 3 meters, 10 feet. Audio vibration, LED flashlight, holster and lanyard, battery included. Probe side detection, and then a tip detection as well. Power, all of your speakers are going to be on the side, and then your sensitivity up and down are going to be right on the side. Let's open her up and see what we get. Straight out the box, there is the Profine 40, and it looks like I've used this one, but I don't remember ever doing that. Yep, I definitely have used this one. Hilarious. Maybe this was a test unit. Anyway, comes with a battery, comes with a lanyard, comes with all your instructions that you need from Minelab, and then a nice sheath and the unit itself. I do remember using this one now. I think I was testing it. Let's go straight into the measurements. From end to tip is going to be just under 10 inches in length. The barrel size is going to be right about 1.5 inches across. Diameter. This is going to be about 5.5 inches in length, or just a little more. That means this is going to be the largest barrel or handle size of any of the pinpointers that we've demonstrated today. Weight, we are going to weigh in 236 grams or 8.3 ounces. About 3 inches. This pinpointer seems to be the most unstable of all the ones I've seen at the highest sensitivity. But again, these are air tests, and air tests are just another example or demonstration of sensitivity. Typically, your depth will vary based off your soil conditions and moisture. So about 3 inches. So there you go, the Minelab Profine 40 and the latest in the Minelab Profine series. A good sturdy pinpointer, waterproof just like all the other ones, with a nice loud speaker, and then your adjustable sensitivities with your different modes as well. Overall, a very nice unit with a good solid long run time. So there you go. There is a complete lineup, side-by-side boxes, pinpointers, what everything looks like together. I put them in the direction that the words are facing. MI-6, Garrett is hidden underneath here, Nokta, and then the Profine is the only one that faces the other direction. It doesn't really matter. It's just an observation. That's that. All the boxes side by side, everything you could think of, or at least I could think of. So there you go. That is the 4 major manufacturers' pinpointers, their features, their weights, their specifications, and a very, very rough example of possible maximum depth. If you're interested in purchasing a new pinpointer, I hope you consider going over to GoneDiggin.net. Let me help you out with that. I would love to. And we have all of these plus more available right there over the website. I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, my name is Matt. Thanks for watching Gone Diggin'.